Speak of the devil, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as intriguing as it is common. Speak of the devil. Have you ever wondered what it means and where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mysterious saying together. Speak of the devil is an idiom that people use when someone they were just talking about unexpectedly appears or is mentioned by someone else. Contrary to what the phrase might suggest, it's not used in a negative or sinister context in modern English. Instead, it's often said in a playful or humorous tone. The full expression sometimes goes as, "Speak of the devil and he doth appear," but it's commonly shortened to just, "Speak of the devil." The phrase, "speak of the devil," has a fascinating history that dates back centuries. It is believed to stem from the superstition that saying the devil's name could summon him or bring bad luck. Over time, this expression lost its literal association with the devil and became a more light-hearted way to acknowledge someone's arrival. Interestingly, this idiom has equivalents in many languages, suggesting that the concept of invoking a presence through speech is a widespread human notion. Using "speak of the devil" correctly can add a playful element to your conversation. Here are a few scenarios where it might be appropriate. When someone appears, if you're talking about a friend and they show up unexpectedly, you can greet them with, "Speak of the devil." When someone calls or texts, if you were just discussing someone and then they call or text you, mentioning, "Speak of the devil," can be a humorous way to note the coincidence to others with you. In storytelling, when telling a story about a past event where this situation occurred, you can use the phrase to add a touch of humor or surprise. While "speak of the devil" is generally considered lighthearted, it's always important to be mindful of cultural sensitivities. In some cultures or among certain individuals, mentioning the devil may not be taken as lightly. Always consider your audience and whether the idiom might be misunderstood or potentially offensive. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, "Speak of the devil." It's a great example of how language evolves and how expressions can lose their original, perhaps more serious, meanings to become part of our playful everyday language. Remember, understanding the context and history behind idioms can enrich your communication and make learning English even more rewarding. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language soon.